Stephanie. It is Thanksgiving Day today. I'm super excited because it is 60 degrees here in Atlanta, and everybody knows I do not like the cold, so I will definitely take all of this heat that it's bringing us today on this beautiful Thanksgiving Day. I'm so excited. I love Thanksgiving. Is literally one of my favorite, well, I would say it's my favorite holiday because I love to eat, and I think around this time, you know, it's just like, I don't know, I feel like it kicks off the season for like the holidays and everything like that. So I'm really excited, but in this video I'm going to be taking you guys along while I Christmas shop for my house. So I'm going to be shopping today on Thanksgiving, and then tomorrow I'm actually going to be decorating and just spending time in my house and kind of just revamping it to make it Christmas. So come along and join the ride. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm in the car with Aaron now. We're on our way to Thanksgiving dinner with our family. I'm really hungry because I haven't ate anything today. It's kind of like my thing. I don't like to eat before Thanksgiving dinner so I can make room. So hopefully everything is really good. Because, are you hungry?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I think she ate some pizza or something like that. Yeah. But yeah, we'll see you guys there. It is November 29th. It's Friday, November 29th. It's officially Black Friday. I'm really excited about today because I'm going to be decorating my tree and decorating a portion of my house, not my whole house. My whole house will not be Christmas decorated, but just like a little portion of my house will have like Christmas decorations and things like that. I did that last year and I had a lot of fun, so I'm going to do it again this year as well. But I'm going to be I'm not gonna be doing my Charlie Brown Christmas tree. So yeah, so every year I usually have like my Charlie Brown Christmas tree that I use, and this year I wanted to get like an actual better tree. So I can't say real because it's not a real tree, it's fake, but I wanted to get like a better tree. So as you guys can see, I went to Target last night with Aaron after Thanksgiving dinner and bought a very nice tree, and I am excited to decorate it. So I'm ready to get started. I'm probably not gonna do it until later on tonight though, because as you can see, I'm still in my jammies. I'll probably actually stay in these all day because I'm not doing anything today. So but anyway, I'm going to probably just chill today, relax, because I'm off work as well. And later on today I'll probably start the decorating and all of that, and I'll probably make like a pecan pie because I have one more pie left over from Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna eat that. And yeah, I'm excited. So guys, this is the box of goodies that I got from upstairs. Yeah, all of my Christmas decorations are in here. As you can see, it's like a really small box. Hence, so I had to go Christmas shopping yesterday. So the Christmas tree I used to put up every year used to be my Charlie Brown Christmas tree. My mom bought me this like I don't know how many. It was probably like maybe like 3 years ago, 4 years ago. I don't really know, but I fell in love with it because I love like watching like the Charlie Brown Christmas story every year. But I'm going to upgrade, which I did. So yesterday at Target, you guys saw us shopping for me a Christmas tree, and I got me a tree that is not real. I'm not gonna get a real Christmas tree, but I got this 6-inch tree, and it looks like that. So I'm going to take this out of the box, and I got some decorations. I got my bulbs, got the hooks for it, and I got my star, and I have my lights over here. So I'm going to just like unpack. Actually, I'm going to take the tree out and get it all unboxed and everything like that, and then decorate it with you guys and show you guys like how I'm going to decorate it and everything like that. But I'm going to probably go and eat some lunch now before I do this, and then I'll start on unboxing the tree.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Alright guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys like it. Before I let you guys go, I kind of want to share a story on why I am so like passionate about the holiday season. I know that most people are, but I just kind of want to share my story. But every Thanksgiving morning, my grandparents would take us to Griffin, Georgia, which is actually where they grew up, and we would go and get a Christmas tree from this Christmas tree farm that was they were real Christmas trees and everything like that. They weren't fake like my tree is, but it was actually real Christmas trees. And actually my grandfather grew up on that farm. I think his grandmother lived on that farm, if I'm not mistaken. I believe so. So it was like a dear place to him to go and take us every year. We would get the tree, then we would go home. We would have Thanksgiving as a family, like all of our aunts, all of my cousins, like everybody would be there for dinner, and then we would put up the tree after dinner and like decorate it and get just prepared for the Christmas holiday season, because we also had like an annual Christmas Eve party, which that actually still goes on nowadays, but we don't do the Christmas tree tradition anymore, because after my grandfather passed, that just kind of like went to the wayside of things. But which is why I kind of wanted to just start doing it myself, you know, because even though I didn't get a real Christmas tree this year, maybe one year, maybe next year I will get a real one. But so yeah, I just feel like this time of year, it just kicks off the season for me, and it's dear to my heart, because I think it's really important to spend time with your family and your loved ones, and you know, because they may be gone one day, so cherish the moments while you can. But I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you guys like this video, if you guys like content like this, please give us a big thumbs up, please. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in our next one. Bye. So guys, I wanted to show you guys my Charlie Brown tree. I'm gonna be retiring this year. But I literally put this tree up every year for almost probably like 4 years or so. I don't even know. It's been a long time. But what I loved about it is that it sings too. It sings the Charlie Brown song. Listen to that. So yeah.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.